As the lovers moon tonight, as I look back over my shoulder, all the stars are shining bright, just like the night when I used to hold her. She's out of sight.